Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. So MATIC continues to push higher here. Also in the update yesterday, we didn't see any sign that MATIC had topped yet. It's continuing to push higher. So the uptrend is still in play. I think yesterday we were hovering around here, this fib retracement, the 1.38 fib retracement of the possible A wave to the downside. We did react to it, so I'm still considering that this could be an overshooting B wave. But for now, I think we are on track to moving to the next fib retracement, which is at around 156. At the latest there, if this is the count in orange, 5 waves up, yeah, in one, then we are now in the wave 2, but we made an A wave down. This could be an overshooting B wave with very limited structure, so it's very hard to read. But then the next fib resistance would be around 156, and at the latest there normally should come down. Otherwise I cannot count this anymore as orange overshooting B wave. We can still look at the other count though, where I'm considering this here as an A wave down, a large overshooting B wave, and then C down. This is also not great, and I think also there we're probably getting to the situation that the that we might have already reached that 200%. Yeah, we did also here at 141 already, but it's still one that I'm observing. Yeah, if we came down in an A wave, this is all still an overshooting B wave, and we would then come down and C. This is the other sort of more bearish option, or actually not really bearish. They are all, and I did say that many times, as long as this chart is above 47 cents, there is nothing bearish about MATIC, yeah? There is nothing bearish about MATIC, but obviously you have different time frames, and you can have a short-term bearish count within that longer uptrend here. But yeah, so this is still a possibility that we find some resistance around 156 and would turn around, would then come down in a C wave of 2. But then I will have to adjust this wave 2, because when you get an overshooting B wave, you can also get a C wave which actually doesn't go below the low of the A wave, which then makes it again very hard to read. Choppy. Not interested really in terms of really trading it, other than maybe, you know, the larger swings. If we get above 156, then we're probably in the wave 3 already. I don't consider that too. It's possible, but I've got my problem with it, because also here in the retracement it was only shallow. I did warn you that when coins make this ascending wedge, sometimes retracements are only very shallow, especially in the cryptocurrency market. That's different in different markets. And yeah, you know, maybe that was it. Maybe the wave 2 was in here. We would then rally in a third wave. If we are already rallying now in the third wave, so basically in this one, because that's what it would probably mean, then we're looking here at a target for this third wave. I can give you that as well. We look at the area between 193 and 221. So let's see if MATIC will get there. Would be quite impressive. But yeah, you know, MATIC is a strong chart. It's just still this area which I don't really like. I don't want to say I don't understand it. There are certainly ways of making it work that this wave 2 bottomed, but it's just not great. Yeah, it's just not great from a market structure perspective. But yeah, that's where we are. That's the situation. Also, what you need to understand, we're now approaching an area where we have previous resistance. So I just gave you the 156 level. Now we've got a significant swing high here at 150. I think that's a relevant one. Certainly, that's where we had previous resistance around 150. And then obviously we talked about 156 at fib resistance. That would be in line with these two tops here previously. And then we have a very significant swing high at 175 in terms of resistances, more structural resistance levels. And we can also add the VRVP to the chart to get an understanding of where is historical volume. And then you can see that there wasn't really a lot in this area that we currently rally through, but now it's starting, and we have another spike sort of exactly in this region which we now are. So we are entering a broader resistance area. Then again though, if I zoom out a bit further, this resistance goes, well, this spike, depending on how far I zoom out, right? But if I zoom out basically the entire price history since May 21, then you can see that this really only will drop off as soon as we get above 164, which then indicates an insufficiency again. So it should make it then easier again to rally higher, which would be in line with the broader target range I gave you anyway. So we'll see. So as basically 150, 156, then here keep in mind that 163, 164 level. After that, the historical volume should drop off a little bit, indicating less resistance on the way up. So this is sort of where we are. Still a bit difficult. That chart is probably one of the most difficult and trickiest charts to read at the moment. Someone said it's all following Bitcoin. Why would I analyze MATIC? It's all following Bitcoin. Well, look at the Bitcoin chart. I mean, they are so different. These comments are always just factually wrong, because we have so many coins that move completely different to Bitcoin. Completely different. Just look at GMX. Yeah, just look at MATIC. They are two great examples. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.